What's up, Avengers fans? Welcome back to the channel. The MCU is about to explode again because Avengers Doomsday is reportedly restarting soon, and this could change everything. After the events of Avengers Endgame and the multiverse madness we saw in Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness, Marvel is setting up its next massive era. Doctor Doom might finally take center stage. And trust me, this could be the biggest threat the Avengers have ever faced. If you're hyped, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's break down what this restart really. According to one of the stars of Avengers, Doomsday, filming will get going on the movie again at the perfect time. The promotional tour for Doomsday is already well underway, setting up what should be the most epic single story in Marvel Studios history. While story details are still being kept under wraps, anticipation is quickly building to see what Marvel has in store for this massive crossover event. Avengers Doomsday star David Harbour revealed that he is going back to shoot more on the movie in the next few weeks. Speaking with Extra TV at the premiere event for DTF Street UE, he confirmed that he still has a little more shooting left for the movie in London, telling the outlet that he will be there for a couple more days with Marvel Studios. We got a little more shooting still on this little Avengers movie that we gotta go do in London. They got a couple more days they want to do. This comes at a great time for Marvel Studios, as reshoots will start about 3 months after the first 4 trailers for Doomsday were released in theaters and online. This leaves Disney and Marvel with a few months to process fan reactions to the trailers and make any needed adjustments to the movie during the reshoots Harbour will be part of. While the first 4 teaser trailers were released in December, there are no indications pointing to when the first full trailer for the movie will be released. There is also no confirmation on how long the reshoots will last or what will be filmed. Avengers Doomsday will be the MCU's second theatrical release of 2026 and the fifth Avengers film overall. Behind Robert Downey Jr.'s Doctor Doom, over 30 MCU and legacy actors are confirmed for this film's cast, and the story will cross multiversal borders as the fate of all life is put at stake. Avengers Doomsday will debut in theaters on December 18, 2026. Marvel Studios has never rolled out a promotional tour like the one for Doomsday, which started over a year before its release date. This comes after a few of the MCU's recent solo movies have underperformed financially and critically, meaning Marvel is doing everything in its power to make sure Doomsday has a chance to be truly the biggest movie since 2019's Avengers Endgame. The initial trailer release plan kept Doomsday in the public eye for well over a month and got fans hyped for everything else coming from a promotional standpoint over the next few months. On top of that, early reactions to the sequel have indicated that Disney executives are pleased with what's being developed and that rival executives predict Doomsday to be the biggest film of the year. For the time being, there are no signs pointing to when Marvel will release another look at Doomsday, with so many characters and plot points from the film still being kept a secret. Even so, with reshoots coming in the foreseeable future and the chatter around the movie teasing something special, Marvel has plenty to look forward to when Doomsday comes back into the public eye with new promotional material.